In a shocking incident, a BJP leader was caught on tape assaulting a woman. Now, this BJP Neta, Ramakrishna Appa, allegedly assaulted a headmistress of a private school in Bengaluru. That's the update coming in, and those are the visuals of that alleged assault that was caught on camera of this incident where this BJP leader was caught on tape assaulting a headmistress of a private school in Bengaluru. Let's get an update from Deepak, who's joining us. Deepak, we have the visuals and we are playing them out of that alleged assault. What really happened?
Well, quite a brazen attack, this one, to say the least, because this was a case where this is a headmistress of a small school who had borrowed some money so that she could start off this institution. She was paying off teachers' salary initially because there were not too many students enrolled. This man had lent money. She was even paying the interest amount. This assault took place allegedly over the repayment of the principal amount, where he's a local financier and also a person who has close political links and also affiliation with the BJP. He's a local BJP leader there. Now, he's carried out this attack. You can even see him after assaulting her with his hand. He then picks up in what looks like a charger wire and beats her up once again. A police complaint was filed yesterday at the Rajankunde police station. The police failed to take any action up until today. There were several protests that took place. Several teachers and also the faculty members at the school itself began to protest. There was a lot of commotion outside the police station. Finally, we're made to believe at this point in time he has been taken into custody by the police officials there.